Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to automatically decline comments that contains links in your Facebook group. If you are a group admin, this feature will help you maintain the quality of conversation in your community and prevent spammy or unwanted links from appearing. So let's get started. Open your Facebook group. On the left side you should see admin assist. Just click that and just scroll down a bit. There are multiple criteria that you can implement, like for managing posts, and there is a section for managing comments. So I will just add criteria over here. So just click add, and there are multiple presets already defined by Facebook, so you can create your own. In this case we will create our own, so just click this one, and here we just scroll down a bit and we will see that there is a link that says link and comment. Just click that, and that says decline incoming comment if comment has a link. So we want to auto delete those comments that has a link, so we will choose this one, and we just want to use only this criteria. We just click add, right? Okay, so you can create some complex logics as well. So to do that, we can create add, and we just click create your own, and from here there are another logic which is reshared link and a comment. So for example, you want to allow your users to post some links, but at the same time you don't want to post them some spammy comments, like if they are resharing a link in multiple groups. So that means that they are some kind of advertiser and they are advertising their stuff, so you just want to get rid of that comment. So you can select the number of times, how many times that link has been shared in multiple groups. It doesn't matter that it was your group, so it can be in other groups as well. So for example, if a comment was shared 5 times by that user in multiple groups, then that comment will be rejected by this rule, right? So I can just add that. So by keeping this, you don't need to have this, so you can delete this one because this will completely remove the link, remove the comments if they has a link. So we just delete this one. Okay, so this is some moderate level criteria. I think you can implement that, and if you want to implement something else related to links, we can create that one as well. So if we go to this section that says links to a specific site, for example, you want to delete links that contains that are specific to a site like TikTok or Instagram or whatever, so you can block them as well, right? So you can add the site link from here. You just can add a link, just press add, and can save the criteria. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or want to see more tips on managing your Facebook group, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.